Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then this is search button. So click, then enter your model number of motherboard B760M space H DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on product. So this is your motherboard H B760M H DDR4 and then click it. Then click on the support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, both operating system installations process same. So Realtek, this is your audio driver and click to download. Then it is start downloading. So it is completed. Then open. Then double click on this. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to the installation. Now this is installing. So wait few seconds to complete. So it is completed. Then close automatically and then close it. Chipset, Intel serial the driver. Click to download. Just open it after download and just double click, then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So it is closed, means this is installed. Intel INF installation, just click to download and just open it. Double click and then yes. Now this is installing. And then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, click to download. And then open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extract first and after installation. Now you can see this is LAN driver in graphic card Windows 10. This is closed automatically means it's installed. VGA, this is size, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So I already downloaded. And after download, just like that, open it and double click to launch. So you just click on the double click on that. After that, next, and give the administrator, and the next to install. After that, restart your system. Thank you.